They stand like a mountain, bold and strong, in the Sicilian sun, where they belong, with a shepherd's staff carved from the trees, twirling like a storm in the island breeze. Their courage sharp, their honor clear, every thrust a story, no room for fear. Feet rooted deep like ancient stone, defenders of the land, their home, their throne. Oh, Sicilian warriors, brave and true, with baston in hand and skies painted blue. A dance of strength, a fight with art, defend the soul, defend the heart. Precision strikes like lightning's flare. It's not just battle, it's love laid bare. A twirl, a spin, like a whirlwind's draw. Every move bound by their ancient law. The staff does sing a song of lore, echoes of struggles from years before. It's not the weapon, it's what it means. A bridge